kurang di sakit ako.
Sa mga abay po, kahawak po ng partner. May partner pa rin po sa mga abay.
Partner!
Yung sa nanay tatay po, paulan po dito. Wait lang, wala pa sa abay.
Wala pa.
Yung parents po, parents lang babae at lalaki, paulan na po kayo. Maraming salamat po.
Wala pa.
Wala pa ha? Magkantay. Nako.
Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, friends and loved ones. Welcome to Jeremy and Nancy wedding reception. We are done with the solemn part of the celebration, and we thank those people who will us earlier at the Bituan Catholic Church ceremony, and for those who just joined and welcome and soared over the top of the hills here at Barangay Bituan for the most exciting part at the large reception for our newlyweds and celebration of the beginning of their new life together. My name is Louie and I have been asked by our lovely bride, the former Miss Parimonte, and now Mrs. Valerie, to be your MC this afternoon, and would like to extend their deepest appreciation for attending the nuptial celebration, especially to those who go and live with us from work and from school. Ladies and gentlemen, let's all welcome the bridesmaids and groomsmaids.
Wala sa inaakala ko, ikaw ang hanap ko. Wala dito sa isipan ko, na ikaw ang kapalaan ko. Akala ko hanggang sa panaginip na ako ay iyong mamahalin. Salamat sa ating pagmamay kapal, ikaw pala'y bigaya sa akin. Ngayong sinta ay nang nasa utak, ang puso ko'y puno ng saya. Sa damdamin ko ang labis na tuwa. isipan ko na ikaw